I love dry shampoo. Who doesn't like dry shampoo? When women wash their hair too much, they end up drying it out. So what we created was a really light, transparent dry shampoo, and it gives you at least 1 or 2 more extra days. Super easy. All you want to do is spray about 10 inches away from your scalp. Don't spray too close because, as you can see, it will leave a wet mark. So you could actually spray it right on your roots for extra volume and body, or you could even spray it on your curls as you go out for that extra tousled volume look. It was really important to me while I was making Nuuvo Haircare with my team that we chose ingredients that are not harmful to your health, like talc. Our dry shampoo is talc-free, has keratin in it to rebuild and restore your hair, absorbs oils and dirt, and gives you lots of added fullness with the benefit of volume and luscious hair.